Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Wazwan style Kashmiri paneer or cottage cheese and tomato curry, as locally called as salmon and ruangan. It's a spicy concoction of paneer slices in tomato puree. Paneer is deep fried and then simmered in tangy tomato puree with Kashmiri chilies and Kashmiri spices. Kashmiri food is wholesome and flavorful, so is this protein and calcium loaded paneer curry. So let's get started. For making this, I have taken half a kg of paneer or cottage cheese, thickly sliced like this, and 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, and a pinch of garam masala, that's optional, and 3 cups of homemade tomato puree and 4 tablespoons of oil. You can take ready-made puree also. Now in a pot I have boiled 3 cups of water, and then I'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let it boil and then add sliced paneer and let it boil for 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, we will take it out. This makes paneer fluffy and soft, so I'll be taking it out. And in another pan I have heated up 2 tablespoons of oil and added cumin seeds, green cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon sticks and tomato puree. Mix it nicely and then add salt and let it cook for a minimum 10 minutes. It will thicken. Until then we will fry our paneer. You can shallow fry also, but we Kashmiris like deep fried paneer. So I'm deep frying it on both the sides. Take it out, and until then let's go back to our tomato puree. So it has thickened, and I'll be adding ginger powder, turmeric powder, remaining turmeric powder and chili powder to it. Mix it nicely and let it cook for a few more minutes till oil starts to come on the surface. So here you can see the oil has started to come on the surface. It's not much visible because I had put less oil. Now I'll be adding water, little bit of water, and then add paneer, fried paneer slices. Add more, half a cup of water, and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame, so that all the spices are mixed nicely and paneer gets the taste of puree and spices. And then add cumin seeds and garam masala. Garam masala is optional, it will just give a good flavor to it. And after almost 7 minutes our paneer is almost done. I don't want much gravy, so I'll keep it like this for a few more minutes. And here I have dished it out. Our scrumptious paneer is ready. Give it a try and let me know how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.